Hey everyone, welcome back to Handy Builds. In this brand new series, we're going to build a modern ADU project completely from scratch. We'll be using durable steel framing, decorative wood panels, and some really high quality wall and ceiling cladding, plus some stylish finishes and custom garden decor. Can you believe we're building 4 modern units from scratch in just 30 days for only $15,000? To pull this off fast and cheap, we're using durable steel framing, decorative wood panels, and high-quality cladding, plus some stylish PVC finishes and custom garden decor to keep things budget-friendly but beautiful. In the end, we'll have 3 cozy bungalows and a spacious kitchen, the ultimate budget getaway. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single day. Hit that subscribe button and let's get building. First up, we're framing the floor for the largest room. We're using 2x4 steel tubing for the floor frame. It's got more than enough strength to support a 13 by 20 foot ADU. Picking the right steel gauge is key here to prevent the floor from sagging down the road, and to get this done as fast as possible, we're going with a modular prefab method. We're based in Vietnam, a fast-growing country in Southeast Asia where the tropical weather can get absolutely brutal. To speed things up, we're framing the largest floor first, and then using it as a template to knock out all the other floors and walls. Next, we're spending some time building the flat roof beam for the kitchen. And here is steel floor frame number 3. Knocking out all the floor frames and walls at the same time speeds things up crazy fast. Honestly, it's twice as fast as building them one by one. Here's a quick DIY hack. When the iron frames don't line up perfectly for welding, we put together this wrench-like tool to just bend them right into place. Since we're pouring concrete over the floor, the whole stability of the house depends on it. That's why we have to make sure the structure is rock solid. We're spacing the main beams at 32 inches with 16-inch square tubes in between. Alright, now we're getting ready to frame out the wall partitions. We're framing the walls with these thick 4x4 square tubes. But because of that, cutting through them with standard abrasive wheels eats up blades like crazy. Since we're going with an A-frame roof, the walls will only stand about 11 to 12 feet high, and we're framing them with 1.5-inch square steel tubing. We're building the walls right on top of the floor frame. Since it's already perfectly square, level and sized to match, it's a huge cheat code that drastically speeds up our timeline. Our region is seeing a massive tourism boom right now. Development is just blowing up, and real estate prices have skyrocketed 5 to 7 times over the last few years. And that's the side wall with the windows done for the first unit. Since this one is bigger than the other 2, we managed to fit in 2 windows instead of just 1. With the flat surface and frame already set up, batch cutting all the steel tubes to size is a breeze. After that, we just drop them into place and weld them down. The neighbours' dogs drop by to check out the job site. Honestly, they are absolutely adorable, always showing us so much love, and they pretty much have lunch with us every single day now. Alright, back to framing the walls under this blazing sun. In total, the 3 bungalows require 12 partitions. Right now, we're framing out this side wall and cutting an opening for a single window. This framing right here is for the back wall of the ADU, and it's officially wrapped up. Since we didn't have a perfectly flat, wide open space to work with, we had to adapt and build right on this gentle slope. Once the main frame is tacked into place, we're going back to fully weld every single joint to make it rock solid. Today is day 5, and we're estimating the entire structural framing will be fully wrapped up within the next 2 days. All that's left now is putting up the main entrance wall and the roof A-frames, and then we're good to go. All that's left now is putting up the main front partitions with the entrance doors, along with the roof A-frames, and then we're good to go. For a 16 to 20 foot long unit, we're installing 4 to 5 A-frames. Today's day 7 already, and we're pushing hard to get them all up. The A-frame trusses for the roof are actually prefabricated, so that saves us a ton of time. And right on cue, a heavy downpour rolled in and lasted all day, completely killing our momentum. First thing the next morning, we got right back to work and knocked out the remaining framing steps. So in the end, it took us a total of 8 days to fully wrap up the framing. In the next part, you'll see all these frames come together to form the complete structure of the houses. See you guys in part 2.